Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In this video, I will explain you some common functions and formulas which are used in MS Excel. Introduction to functions and formulas. Microsoft Excel has many capabilities that make it suitable for use as a data management tool. It provides multiple features for organizing and managing data, so you can ensure that data is entered correctly and calculations and formulas are valid. Excel makes use of formulas and functions to dynamically calculate results from the data available in your worksheet. You can see some common functions: sum, sum if else, etc. Now I will explain you some common functions. First of all, I will explain you count function. Count function is used to count the number of cells that contain numbers. You can see count function equal count a1 colon a5. You can see from a1 to a5 all cells are containing numbers. How many cells are there? Total 5. Now I will explain you count if function. Count if function is used to count cells based on one criteria. For example, greater than 9. You can see count if function equal count if a1 colon a5 greater than 9. You can see from a1 to a5 how many cells are containing more than 9 number. Total 2. Now I will explain you count if s function. Count if s function is used to count cells based on multiple criteria. For example, green and greater than 9. You can see count if s function equal count if s a1 colon a5 green b1 colon b5 greater than 9. It means from a1 to a5 cell contain green and b1 to b5 cell contain greater than 9. When both conditions will be true, then only cell will be count. In this example, you can see from a1 to a5 how many cells are containing green? A2 and A4. And from B1 to B5 how many cells are containing more than 9? B1 and B4. How many cells follows both conditions? Only one, A4 and B4. It means how many cells are there? 1. Sum function. Sum function is used to sum a range of cells. You can see sum function equal sum a1 colon a5. It means this function is add all numbers from a1 to a5. You can see in this example, addition from a1 cell to a5 cell is 41. Logical functions. There are 4 types of logical functions: if, and, or, not. First of all, I will explain you if function. If function checks whether a condition is met and return one value if true and another value if false. For example, take a look at the if function in cell C2 below. You can see if function equal if b2 greater than or equal to 60, then pass, otherwise fail. You can see in this example, Richard, Jennifer and Lisa, they all are score greater than or equal to 60. That's why their result is pass. And James, Sharon score less than 60. That's why their result is fail. End function. The end function returns true if all conditions are true and returns false if any of the conditions are false. For example, take a look at the end function in cell D2 below. You can see end function equal and B2 greater than or equals to 60 and C2 greater than or equals to 90. You can see in this example, Richard score 1 is 93 and score 2 is 80. Richard does not fulfill both conditions. That's why his result is false. And Jennifer score 1 is 60 and score 2 is 91. Jennifer fulfill both conditions. That's why result of Jennifer is true. In logical AND function, when all conditions will be true, then only output will be true. Otherwise, output will be false. OR function. The OR function returns true if any of the conditions are true and returns false if all conditions are false. For example, take a look at the OR function in cell D2 below. You can see OR function equal or B2 is greater than or equals to 60 and C2 is greater than or equals to 60. You can see in this example, Richard, Jennifer, James and Lisa all are fulfill at least one condition. That's why their result is true. And Sharon does not fulfill any condition. That's why result of Sharon is false. Not function. The not function changes true to false and false to true. It means result of logical not function is opposite of actual result. For example, take a look at the not function in cell D2 below. You can see not function equal not or B2 is greater than or equals to 60 and C2 is greater than or equals to 60. It is previous example only, but in this example we have used not function also. You can see in this example, Richard, Jennifer, James and Lisa all are fulfill at least one condition, then also their result is false. And Sharon does not fulfill any condition, then also Sharon result is true because we have used not function. Result of not function is just opposite of real output. Formula basics. Formulas in Microsoft Excel begin with an equal sign. The equal sign tells Excel that the succeeding characters constitute a formula. If you don't enter the equal sign, Excel will treat your entry as text and the calculation will fail. Now I will explain you how to enter formulas in Excel. When entering numerical data, you can command Excel to do any mathematical function. Start each formula with an equal sign. To enter the same formulas for a range of cells, use the colon sign. Now I will explain you addition formula through one example. You can see equal B2 plus B3. It means value of B2 cell added with value of B3 cell. You can see in this example value of B2 is 1 and value of B3 is 2. Answer is 3. Now I will explain you some more formulas through example. You can see equal A10 divide B3. It means value of A10 cell is divided by value of B3 cell. Value of A10 is 6 and value of B3 is 2. 6 divided by 2, answer will be 3. Similarly, equal B3 multiply A10. Value of B3 is 2 and value of A10 is 6. When we will 6 multiply by 2, answer will be 12. You can see one more example equal B2 multiply C2. Value of B2 is 50 and value of C2 is 12. You can see in figure 5.9. After formula, answer will be 600 because value of B2 is 50 and value of C2 is 12. When 50 multiplied by 12, answer will be 600. You can see in figure 5.10. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of functions and formulas in MS Excel.